Can my weakness be my strength? 2 Corinthians chapter 12 verse 9 says, "My grace is sufficient for you, for my power is made perfect in weakness." Si Paul reveals that God's grace is magnified in our weaknesses. Vulnerability, yung kahinaan natin, ito yung nagbibigay ng opportunity. Ang vulnerability natin, pag tayo ay mahina, pag tayo ay struggling, yun yung opportunity na si God nagwo-work siya sa buhay natin lalo. He gave us strength when we are weak so that He can work in us. Na-imagine mo yung isang broken jar, and then yung crack na to itapat sa liwanag, at papasok yung liwanag doon, yung araw, at nagbibigay siya ng amazing na beauty, di ba? And dito natin makita na even in our imperfection, God's beauty can work. Where can your weaknesses display God's power? Sabi nga na isang quote, God uses broken people to do great things.